All right, what's going on, everybody? So I got some things in the mail today from Z1. Where they at? We've got the Morimoto freaking lights that go above the license plate, which should be an upgrade. I mean, this is a 2010. And then I also got reverse bulbs. Now, these are the Carbide 2 LED replacement bulbs. Supposedly, these are really, really bright. It was a set of 2 for 33 bucks. So after shipping this up, it's probably like maybe like $18 a freaking light, which is kind of a lot. So let's see if they work. Hopefully they're really bright. I was looking in these stock lights and they look like regular bulbs. It looks like just a regular bulb. So I believe the inner one is it, because that one looks, don't look like it's a white light. So I'm assuming it's the inner bulbs, but we're gonna get these swapped out, get the license plate light swapped out, and that's pretty much it, man. So let's try to see if I can get the reverse lights on right now, get a little image of it, and see if we can see a noticeable difference. I'm hoping it is, especially with this black ass window tint that I have not called the police about for paying my ticket or fine or whatever it is. But when I'm trying to reverse with this fucking window tint, it is horrible. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and see if I can get these lights to turn on and get these lights off, and we'll get a little visual first. All right, let me go ahead and throw it in reverse, and let's see what these lights look like. E-brake up. It's in reverse, brakes up. I don't want this motherfucker to move. Look how dull the lights are. Extremely dull. So hopefully they'll be a lot brighter. Let's go ahead and get these swapped out. We'll let the car finish warming up and then I'll kill it. Alright, so supposedly this stuff is actually pretty easy. My car came missing this little liner, which is whatever. What I was gonna do was, I was gonna order an HKS that the freaking, I guess it's like a shop rug. I believe it's like 2 foot by 4 foot. I was gonna order that rug and use it as my floor mat because it has that pretty classic HKS color scheme, which is like the oil splatter pattern, which it's like, I want to say it was like 140 bucks on Vivid Racing, but I think that's kind of a waste of 140 bucks. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it bare. But anyways, so I think we just got to pull out this fastener, this thingy right here. I got to get this off, right? Yeah, I got to get this tab off, get this tab off, this tab, and I believe that's pretty much it. Once we get all that taken off, we should be able to access the backside of the light, turn it, pull it out, swap out the bulb. So let's go ahead and get that process started. I'll tell you what, one of the best investments I've made so far as tools is this little 3-piece set of like, how do you say, like door panel remover type shit. These things have come in handy on every freaking vehicle I own, and this set was like $5 at Harbor Freight. Pretty crazy. But yeah, these come in really, really clutch for literally every job I've been on. These things are freaking awesome. In the middle. Let's see if it'll work there. But yeah, man, this is it. Pretty bored today. Got nothing really going on. So when these pieces came in, I was like, yeah, you know what, screw it. We'll just make a little quick video on doing this crap. Nothing fancy. It's not like everybody else's video where they're dropping $5 or $6 grand on a freaking part or something like that. This is something really simple, really quick, and it's actually something that's extremely common, so it seems like it makes a lot more sense than most things. Let's see, is this one? I don't know. It still feels like it doesn't want to pop off completely. Never mind, it's coming up. Okay, so that was it. Really quick, really simple. See what we're working with. Alright, so look, check it out. I don't know if you guys have enough light, but right there is access to the bulb. Right here is access to the bulb. Normally you'll have like a rubber grommet. You'll have a black thing that looks like this right here on there. This one doesn't have it. It is what it is. No biggie. So let's go ahead and get this thing taken out. pretty simple. Nothing was wrong with this bulb. It's just it's probably a stock one. Let's see. What does it say? It doesn't have a date, but it does look fairly fairly old. So let's go ahead and get one. These are the GTR lighting. I got these on, what was it? What's it got? Oh, Z1. Yeah, I said it already. I got them on Z1. And like I said, they're only like 18 bucks for a piece. So, look how massive this thing is compared to the other light. Hold on, let me show you. Hopefully they work. Hopefully it fits. Look how big it is compared to that one. That's what she said, right? Oh, I get pissed. Let's put that bulb right there. Let's put it back in. And get it locked in place. Alright, boom. Simple. Extremely simple. Let's get this other side. Like I said, sorry if you can't really see. I don't have a freaking light to throw in here. But it ain't that big of a deal. I'm pretty sure 99.9% of you guys have swapped out a freaking light bulb on a vehicle before. It's not like it's something crazy. Like I said, I just wanted to put some type of content out, man. It's been a hot minute. I've just been doing a lot of shorts because I removed the bumper on the GTR. I got the touch-up paint, which came with like a base coat, a mid coat, and a clear coat from Custom Paints. I want to say it was about 40 bucks for the set. It was TV2, so it was OG Bayside Blue, and it actually was kind of intimidating to do all that stuff, but it was fun. Damn, this fucking light is massive, so it's kind of being a pain. It has to go in. Come on. Don't tell me this one's not gonna fit. Oh, there we go. Okay. We'll go ahead and turn the car back on. Go ahead and turn the car back on and see if we can get a good test of the lights. Gas it up for no reason. It's not a sponsored ad. They're okay. I mean, I don't know if they're $35 to $40 okay, but I mean, nonetheless, they're on. No biggie. It's really quick to fucking swap them out. I'm not gonna fucking take them out and put the old ones back in. That's for damn sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the panel back together, and then we'll get moving on to the license plate light. So I've been kicking around the idea of swapping out my exhaust. Now, I don't know if I should. I don't know if I should just not even worry about it, because this exhaust it's plenty loud, but it still has mufflers, and I don't want no damn mufflers. So I'm thinking about, I'm thinking about swapping out the exhaust for a Boost Logic Magnum exhaust, which is, it removes the traditional Y pipe and it goes from like 4" to 4.5", like really quick off the downpipes, and then it goes straight back to all 4.5, all the way back to where it drops down to 4", I believe, where the little tips are at. So it would basically be a 4.5" exhaust all the way back with no mufflers, and more than likely extremely fucking loud, which is exactly what I want. But the problem I have is now I have this fairly expensive exhaust that I'm gonna take off this thing, as well as the mid pipe, because it's gonna obviously replace this mid pipe that's on there. It's a Boost Logic mid pipe. I'm gonna end up having a mid pipe and then a Legomax exhaust system just sitting here. And I don't know anybody that would want to purchase it for like a freaking steal of a deal. So I don't know. It's not like I need the money to recoup on the other one, which wouldn't be bad. I'm not saying, I mean, anything would be good. I'm simply saying so that it's not just wasting away here inside the garage, and I'm not gonna just throw it out because it is kind of an expensive piece of equipment. But I could throw it up on eBay and just hang out and wait for somebody to bite on it. But I don't know. I'm gonna kick around the idea and see if I get the itch. And if I get the itch, then I'll just purchase it and whatever, and then we'll make some moves after that. But let's go ahead and get these other pieces taken off. That way we can be done here, man. This shouldn't be too hard. These are the original ones. Is that them? Let me see, I need my flashlight. These are blacked out. I'm not sure if he ordered them like that or if that's what the previous owner wanted, but these are black. Right. See, like I said, this whole job is pretty much getting done with this. This is not blacked out. This is fucking soot. Check this out. So anybody who knows these GTRs, somebody who's watching this content, these cars put out a shit ton of soot. When I originally bought the car, if you go back to a bunch of videos, I thought that my paint was being burnt off when I bought the car, because all this right here was black, and it was like a black color. It looked like it, even when I washed it, it would turn like a glossy black. So I thought it was the bare color on this plastic piece right here on the spoiler section. It was actually, when I got the car cleaned in clayboard, it was just soot built up all right here. So, but look at this. This is all soot. And I know because, look, as soon as I touched it, everything's black. Look at this shit. Soot. That is insane. That's probably why these lights are so damn dim. Look, I'll show you between the two. Now, these are more than likely clearer than the stock ones, the OE ones. But then again, this is a 2010, so if they had the stock ones on, they'd probably be pretty yellowed off. And then these are full of LEDs. But look at this. Look at the difference between the two. That's insane. Let's make a video real quick. This is the hardest one. This is one of the hardest parts for me, is messing with electrical connectors. And you know, some of them, like when you have Ford or Chevy, they try to be like, I'm gonna reinvent the wheel when it comes to connectors. So they make them all difficult, and then you go around and you try to do some maintenance on them, and you end up breaking all this shit. Oh wait, never mind. Oh, I do have to swap this out, right? Yeah, see, it's got to connect into there. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. All right, got it out. Like I said, these things are typically easy. I did these on the BMW also. I need to do them to the Super Duty. When I go out to location, that thing really needs them. Boom. Quick and simple. I should be fine with this one. I really, like I said, the main reason why I don't want this one is simply because it has a muffler. And I'm pushing a shit ton of power. You know what I mean? So, realistically, especially when you have turbos, you guys know, when you're running modified turbos, the best thing to do is to have zero back pressure, zero restriction, and allow that thing to breathe maximum as much as possible. Boom. Like I said, $7 Harbor Freight, $6 or $7 at Harbor Freight. A legitimate investment. Now I know they have sets that have probably 3 or 4 times the amount of these. Definitely get them. I don't know. These are awesome. I use them all the freaking time. Oh yeah. Night and day freaking difference, man. That's crazy. Now, I'm not gonna lie. The GTR lighting seems like very, very weak. I don't know why. Because if you were to turn on the lights on the BMW, they are extremely, extremely bright. And this is with the shit ton of LEDs, so I don't know. Could just be me, but maybe I expected more. But other than that, that's the end of the video, boys. Well, that's it, boys. I got the reverse lights swapped out, and I got the license plate lights swapped out. Now, that was extremely easy. I only ran into one little hiccup where when I went to go turn these on, or this side on the reverse light, it didn't come on. So all I did was pull the light bulb back out, flip it, and it went in and it turned right on. Now, I'm not extremely impressed, but it is probably 3 times brighter than what was there, but it's not extremely bright. As far as the license plate light, I am impressed because you could tell by what was originally on there is something completely covered in soot. So low visibility, mainly because of this thing. Look at that, nasty and covered. That's it, man. That's it for the video. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. If you know anybody that would be interested in buying that exhaust, like I said, it would be a white pipe, a Boost Logic white pipe, and a Legamax exhaust. All of it together, I'd sell it for extremely cheap. I just don't know what shipping would cost on something like that, but if I can recoup some of the money back, definitely I'll go ahead and do it. But I just don't know if anybody would purchase it or what to do with the item once I get it out. I can't keep storing shit inside this house from vehicles that I'm taking off of it. I still got the damn tires. I'm gonna start using those tires when I go back to work though, because I will be driving my my personal Super Duty, and I'm gonna swap out to those so that I don't mess up those 24x14s that's on the truck right now. So I hope you liked the video. It was nothing crazy. It was just something really simple. I ended up spending probably about $70, $75 total with shipping to get the 2 light bulbs, which came in a pair, and then the set of Morimoto, what is that? Freaking license plate lights, which are gonna help me just because the damn window tint it really is dark. And I do need to call the police department or courts tomorrow and try to pay my ticket, man. You guys all take care, and let me know in the comment section, man. Peace.